Hello friend, welcome back to my channel Namrata's Wholesome Mantra. We are on tour of Gujarat and morning we visited famous Rani Ki Vav and now we are at Aithor and at Aithor there is a famous ancient Ganpati temple which is 900-year old and has lot of carvings and motif on these walls of this temple. There are many epic stories about this Ganesha temple, and from all over Gujarat, people come here to pray and take a blessing of Lord Ganesha. It is believed that the original deity of Lord Ganesha was installed by Pandavas in the temple. This Ganesha temple is believed to be built by Solanki rulers who ruled Gujarat during 9th to 12th century and was a clan deity of Solankis or Kul devata of Solanki kings. There is a legend or myth about this temple that when there was a marriage ceremony of Lord Indra, Lord Ganesha was not invited because of his elephant head face. He got angry. The marriage party was halted at nearby Puspavati river for rest and Lord Ganesha vanished there all the vehicles. When all gods realized what had happened, they came here and asked for a mercy from Lord Ganesha. All gods agreed that first the blessing of Ganesha will be taken while doing any religious function. The artistically carved motifs and other figures on the wall and the shikara of this temple are made by using mortar of soil and it is not carved on the stone like other temples. This temple is not far away from famous Rani Ki Vav and Modera Sun Temple, which has found its name in the UNESCO World Heritage Site. But here also the carvings on the wall and the deities and life of the people during ancient time is shown, and it is must visit place to get a blessing of Lord Ganesha and also see the ancient wonders done by our ancestors. Base layer of the temple is decorated with Kirti Mukha or Najarbattu or the demon face. Above the Najarbattu, you can see beautifully carved elephants are seen as if they are taking the full load of this. All the elephants are carved in different style. You can see all around these elephants are seen above this Nazarabattu. The row above the elephant is decorated with male and female figures, most of them in erotic and Kama Sutra position. It is believed that Kama Sutra or reproduction is the important aspect of life cycle called karma. These carvings were normally carved outside the temple, so the people should not be ignorant and desires are fulfilled, they will be more happy. The row above is decorated with diamonds and floral design at top and bottom, and in between you can see there are many deities carved in the niches and other many figures are there doing daily activities like dancing, singing, musical instrument and also doing yoga, taking care of kids and fighting. Interestingly, on this level, all around you can see Lord Ganesha is carved. He is in various standing positions and forms. There are animals around him. Also, there are some attendant scene. And in this panel, you can see his brother Kartikeya standing with his vehicle peacock. Look at this Ganesha trunk. It is toward his right. All other Ganeshas you can see the trunk is toward left of him. Many motifs and carvings are seen on the walls with artistic details. Look at the yogi or sun with Gandharva enjoying on top. Mythical animals Yali, Madanikas or Madam, incarnation of Lord Vishnu as Varaha or saving mother or model looking female. Also you can see naked yogi having strange hairstyle and dress top. Beautiful female with pendant and modern hairstyle. The monkey trying to pull the sari. Also you can see Lord Vishnu as incarnation of Vamana killing Mahabali. Madnika looking in mirror called Darpan Sundari and Lord Vishnu. When you look at this temple architecture and motifs and carving, then you understand how advanced they were thousands of years back in their thinking and also craftsmanship. Strangely, this temple is dedicated to Lord Ganesha, but you can see many carvings are there of incarnation of Lord Vishnu. There is also temple at side of this Ganesha temple, which is dedicated to Lord Vishnu. Many devotees come here to take blessing of Lord Ganesha. Also, inside the temple, you can see Nandi is installed in front of Ganesha. As you move around the temple, you can see there are many old carvings and motifs are seen all around. This shows us how ancient and old this temple was. Complete compound wall of this temple is lined with many deities from Hindu Purana. Also, there are some epic stories, and these beautiful female carvings can be seen. Our tour of this Aithor Ganesha temple comes to an end. Do like and subscribe my channel Namrata's Wholesome Mantra to watch more vlogs about other ancient temples in Gujarat. Thanks for watching my videos. Do like and subscribe.